Coming in at number 5, we have the Danakil Desert in Ethiopia. This isn't your ordinary desert. With temperatures regularly soaring above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, it's one of the hottest places on the planet. But heat isn't the only thing you have to worry about here. Volcanic eruptions, toxic gases, and deadly salt pans make the Danakil Desert a truly formidable place. Yet, despite these risks, it's a place of haunting beauty and scientific interest. Next, at number 4, we find ourselves in the Amazon rainforest. While it's a paradise of biodiversity, the Amazon is also a hotbed of danger. Meet the world's most venomous spider, the Brazilian wandering spider, and the lethal poison dart frogs. Not to mention the jaguars, anacondas, and piranhas that call this place home. And if the wildlife doesn't get you, the diseases just might. Malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever are all rampant in these parts. Our third stop takes us to the icy wilderness of Antarctica. It's the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. Temperatures can plummet to minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, making hypothermia and frostbite constant threats. Then, there's the isolation. In winter, Antarctica doubles in size due to the sea ice, making rescue missions virtually impossible. Moving on to number 2, we venture into the Death Valley in California. Don't let the scenic beauty fool you. This is the hottest place on Earth. The ground temperature can reach up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Water is scarce and shade is practically non-existent. Survival here is a game of endurance, and many have lost. Finally, we arrive at our number 1 most dangerous place on Earth, the Lake Nyos in Cameroon. At first glance it seems like any other lake, but beneath its calm surface, it hides a deadly secret. The lake sits on a pocket of magma, which leaks carbon dioxide into the water. This makes Lake Nyos a killer lake, capable of releasing a deadly gas cloud. In 1986 it did just that, suffocating over 1,700 people in nearby villages. So there you have it, a thrilling tour of the most dangerous places on our planet. Each of these locations holds its unique dangers, yet they all share a common thread. They serve as stark reminders of the power and unpredictability of nature. Whether it's the scorching heat of the desert, the venomous creatures of the jungle, the freezing isolation of Antarctica, the deadly heat of Death Valley, or the silent killer of Lake Nyos, one thing's for sure, adventure, in its most extreme form, is never far away.